Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota RAV4 rear windshield wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely with the ignition completely off. Then, locate the rear wiper arm on the tailgate. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and quick replacement process, taking only a few minutes of your time. Now, let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You will find a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook-shaped end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked in place. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. To complete the process, double-check that your new wiper blade is firmly attached and can move freely along the arm. Then, turn on your vehicle and test the wiper function with some water to ensure it clears the window effectively. For optimal visibility and safety, remember to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or as soon as you notice streaking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.